In this video, we're going to talk about this JTS AK style shotgun, show you where I purchased it, do the unboxing, talk about it a little bit, and towards the end, I'm going to show you a special little trick with this thing that will hopefully help you. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and open her up. This is the JTS AK style shotgun. It's got the 18.7 inch barrel. Super cool. I got it in OD green, and I got this from Palmetto. And normally these are around $350, $400. I've seen them upwards of $500 with optics and stuff. But I got this one for $199, which Palmetto always has super killer deals. And I paid $199 for this, and I even seen it drop, of course, 2 days after I purchased mine to $179.99. So $180 this thing got down to, which is an absolute steal for anything. Now, it's a steal if it's not junk, but I've watched plenty of videos on this thing to know that this one is not junk. So just wanted to do the unboxing and let you guys kind of see exactly what you're going to get in the box before you purchase it. So pick this up for $199, like I said. Now, this is all it comes with. It did come with a manual, but I've got that put somewhere else. So first of all, let's check out the magazines that it comes with. These are your standard 5-round capacity. And I don't think there's a single metal piece on this except for the spring. Everything plastic. To me, it kind of looks cheap, but it's solid. It seems to be all molded, one piece, and even right here, that's your full length plastic, so that's kind of cool. And you do have this right here, that is the only metal piece on it. But it seems like a really solid mag, like you could bust these around and it'll be okay. Comes with 2 of these. So here's exactly the way the box looked when you purchase it. It's a really nice looking gun. Alright, so we got the shotgun out of the box. We're going to start at the rear. Here's your rubber butt pad, just pretty standard. Got your sling mount back here, just screwed into the polymer. So I don't know how rough I would be with this thing, but it does seem to have a thicker piece right here that it actually screws into, but it is screwed directly into the polymer. Moving up, you got your standard AK. Everything's stamped. Got your regular dust cover. There's your grip. Safety, check. What's your trigger pull? It's really smooth, actually. You've got your kind of paddle style mag release right there. So finish on it isn't super great, but for this price point, what can you expect? Got your sights up here. You may be able to get a dust cover with a pick rail on it for this. I haven't checked yet, but I will be checking in the future. There's your sights, standard AK sights. Got your pick rail down here, but very short length. Okay, so I wanted to go over something here. The reason that I actually purchased this rifle, or this shotgun, is because I've got a couple of the G-Force, and, you know, I hate not being able to shoot whatever type of ammunition I want. And I saw that this one actually has an adjustable gas block for different rounds. So I was like, heck yeah. And a lot of the videos that I've watched, they can shoot birdshot, slugs, whatever they want. So I had to try it out, especially for that price point, man. You can't beat the cheapest, $180 for this thing. Can't beat it. So that right there, you kind of push that down, and when it's brand new, it's pretty tight. I'm gonna try to do this. See, that turns. And if you'll look right here, it's hard to show it. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but 0, and over here, there's a 1, 2, 2, 3. It's very hard to read, but you can turn it. And I do believe 1 is where you want the least gas, or 0 is least gas, 1 more gas, 2, and then you would want to use the third position, that position, for your bird shot. Guys, so this is the special little trick that I found, and most people probably figure it out, but if there's somebody out there that's struggling with it, I wanted to document this so that you could see and not have to spend 30 minutes figuring it out like I did. So just like your regular AK, you know, I'm an AR guy. I've only ever owned one AK at all. This is my first AK shotgun. So a little bit of a learning curve compared to the AR. So depress this button right here and push in, and that's gonna release your dust cover, right? And you would think that you could just put it back on like normal, click it down, and it'd be good. But on this particular shotgun, it does not do that. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. So right here, you fit it in the groove, just like normal. Then you push forward as hard as you can get it, and just kind of hold pressure on that. Then pull your charging handle back, and it will lock that into place. Let's show you one more time. So you push down, okay? Now slide that in, that little groove, and as you see, it clicks. So it's technically on, but then it'll pop right back off. So you have to push down, and as you can see the button, it's not quite under the cover. So you have to hold pressure, and it'll pop right back in. So I hope that trick helps somebody. So that is going to wrap up this video of the JTS AK12 shotgun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative to you. And this is part 1, so we are going to have part 2, and that will be linked here along with some of my other content here. So if you want to check those out, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for staying to the end. Hopefully you'll watch the shooting portion and it'll be a little bit more fun than this video, but always remember, the world is getting crazy out there. So stay prepared with things like these. Stay connected. Stay loving one another. Bullet Envy out.